Hello friends, good evening. I am Rohit and today we are going to learn that how to create passport size photos in Photoshop. This is our passport size photos and we are going to make this type of photo in Photoshop using Photoshop tools. Just click on new, choose the size. Passport size photo sizes are generally in 4 width and 6 inches height, 4 by 6. So here we are continuing with it. Width is 4 and height is 6 in inches. 17 resolution and just click on create. This is our canvas screen. Press Ctrl 0 for fit to screen and press Ctrl 1 for 100% zoom. And we are continuing with Ctrl plus 0 fit to screen. And this is our object in which we are going to work. Do the work of creating passport size photo. Just drag and drop it into our file. And it's looking good. Just click on this right checkbox, else double click on this document. I'm going to double click this document and we are showing that there is a two layer background and 5. We need to merge these two layer. First select and press Ctrl E from your keyboard to merge it and go to edit menu and use the define pattern for passport size photos. But before click on define pattern, we have to need to add the stroke around the image. So unlocking this layer, now this is layer 0, right click and use blending option for use the strokes. If you are cutting this image physically from paper, then if there is a stroke, then we can cut it very good. Stroke size is 6 inches per pixel in size normal and color we choose the white. If you need to choose the another color, just double click here and choose your color. But in this project I am continuing with white color. Just press OK. Okay, now we have to define the pattern. Define pattern is most important topic for passport sizes photo. Go to edit menu, select define pattern and give the name here passport size photo 4 into 6 inch and just click on OK. Now we created a define. We created a pattern. It's called define pattern and we can use it in multiple document. If we need to print 25 photos in one page sheet, then how much size document we have to create? 25 photos, so 5 photos in row and 5 photos in column. So just 4 into 5, 20 inches width and 5 into 6, 30 inches height we need in our document. So we are going to put the data according to our calculation, which is 20 inches and height 30 inches, 72 resolution and click on create. Now our file is ready and we have to insert here pattern which we created in this previous document untitled 1 and we have untitled 2. We have to use that pattern here. So just press shift plus F5 from your keyboard and content is pattern, select it and custom pattern, select the last pattern which we added in previous document and just click on OK and your passport size photos are ready. And if you need to edit manually, then just go to edit menu and select fill. If you don't want to use shift F5, then go to edit menu and click on fill, use custom pattern with pattern in last pattern and just click on OK and our document is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 photos in row, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 photos in column. So 25 photos we created just in one click. Press Ctrl 1 for 100% zoom, press Ctrl 0 for fit to screen. Now we are pressing Ctrl plus 1 and we gave the stroke so we can cut physically Very good. These photos and it's looking very nice now. Press Ctrl 0 for fit to screen. This is our document is ready. Go to file menu and just save it. Save it in Photoshop format, JPG format, whatever format you have to save. I don't need to save it, so just closing it. Save changes to the Photoshop document before closing. No. Friends, thank you for watching our video, and if you learn anything from it, then just subscribe our channel for more videos. Hit the bell icon and never miss update. Have a nice day.